the kitchen, got to do some quick potatoes for some scalloped potatoes that we're going to do. Got a new Mandoline that was a gift from a brand. Very easy to set up, very easy to put together. Just a couple pieces, all dishwasher safe, like that. This little thing comes off here. This is the catcher to make sure that you can actually put the potatoes in there. So I am going to do some quick scallop potatoes. So this releases from here. So that's out like that. And then we can quickly, there's a couple little settings back here. One is for julienne, one is for making it so that you can actually slice. Goes into the thing and off we go. So as the potato gets down, we're going to use that. And then the wife says, hey, let's do some julienne potatoes. And we want some thin ones because our kids only like thin potatoes. So up goes a couple blades here, one, and then the second blade here. 2 blades up, same thickness. This is to protect your fingers, as we know could happen if you're going to do that. So, and then some quick julienne potatoes. So if you want them a little thicker, this is probably the thinnest of the settings. We want to decide we want to do them a little bit thicker. Off we go to the thicker julienne potatoes. And those are our thicker julienne potatoes. Very easy to set up, very dishwasher safe. And yeah, friendly for your fingers. You're not going to damage any of your fingers in there, that's for sure. So that's it.